Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup, and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. But if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. Enjoy our small moment of time together, whatever it may end up being. Please stay. We would love to have you. I don't know what else I can do to make you stay. I don't know what I can do anymore. I'm trying my hardest. Okay, but anyways, today is Collab Day. It is with the ever so amazing and gorgeous and amazing, I know I already said amazing, but Fash Fab here on the YouTube. I absolutely love and adore her. I really fumbled this collab here today, like I do with pretty much all of our videos. Granted, I am sick and I have a fever, so there's that. But we did a palette bingo. We picked each other's, like, random number generated each other's shades. We chose 2 palettes. I think she chose Delicious Delights and Sinister from Cosmic Beauty, and I chose Cosmic Beauty palettes too. I chose Winter Wonderland and Undergrowth. These are 2 complete opposites. Yeah, so please go make sure that you're checking out her video and giving it some love. But if you want to see how I ended up creating this freaking look right here, then let's get into it. Hello, hi. I'm still battling this cold and I'm getting freaking pissed off about it. I hate it. I'm dying. It's been a tough couple of days, but it is what it is. Today is Collab Day. It is with the ever so gorgeous and amazing Fash Fab Beauty here on YouTube. I think this is like our 3rd collab, possibly, I don't know. But we wanted to play with our Cosmic Beauty palettes. She wanted to play with Sinister and I think Delicious Delights. I wanted to play with Winter Wonderland and Undergrowth because I wanted to test myself. So we got to random number generate each other's shades. We're gonna go through and figure out which ones she got me. I have not looked yet. I'm super excited for this, but if you haven't gone and checked out her channel and her videos and all that, you should go do that. She's an absolute joy. She's adorable and I love and adore her. So make sure that you go check her out and all that good stuff. But let's go figure out what our shades are out of these 2 bad boys right here. So for Wonderland, the first shade that she picked for me was 16. So 5, 10. 16 is that shade right there called Fresh Air. She also picked 10, and 10 is that shade right there called Atmosphere. It's a duochrome. I'm super excited. And yes, I did put Wonderland and Undergrowth together because I, like I said, wanted a challenge. It's what I do. I like to make things difficult. And the last shade for Wonderland was 4, which is that shade right there called Comfort. Next, we have the Undergrowth. Undergrowth's first shade was 15, so 15 is that duochrome shade right there called Fireflies. Next was 1, so that's that shade right there called Vegetation. And last but not least is that shade right there called Undergrowth, number 7. There's only 1 matte in this. I'm nervous and I think I may have messed up. Oopsies. Here is the color story. Also, I have a scratch on my hand from my cat because he's an asshole. But this is the color story. Like I said, we only have 1 matte here. I don't know how this is gonna go. It is super pretty. We've got lots of gorgeous shimmers in here. I'll have to figure it out, but I think it'll be fun. It'll be cool to see what I end up doing. We've got a lot of duochrominess in here too, so because I think that one, and that one are all kind of duochromes. So we'll see what I end up doing. But yeah, this is the color story. This purple and blue side is Winter Wonderland and that side is Undergrowth. So Fresh Air, Atmosphere, Comfort, Fireflies, Vegetation, and Undergrowth. I think this is gonna be fun. I'm excited to do this and I'm glad that Fash was up for my stupid ideas of this. As always, all the products that I use and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links. They're just there for you guys. They're not there for me. I don't make anything off of them. They're just there if you guys see something in my videos that you would want to go look at and enjoy. To start with, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to End. I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. And I'm going to plop on some of this Road Peptide Lip Treatment in Salted Caramel because my lips are dying. let me scooch you in and let's get this shit show started. So I want you to stay with me for a second here. I'm just gonna go about it weirdly, and if it ends up being shitty, then it ends up being shitty. But I'm gonna start by going in with that Fresh Air shade right there from the Winter Wonderland palette. I'm gonna take it on my Unearthly A7. And I'm gonna be taking that into the inner corner right here to start with. Because why not, right? Why not? I genuinely don't know what to do with this color story, so I'm kind of just placing it and hoping it works out in the end. Like I said, just placing it in the inner corner here, maybe bringing it up a little bit, but just placing it in there for now. So obviously I did end up dragging it this way, just a tiny bit, because why not? I have nothing better to do with my day-to-day than make it look crazy. Right? Right. Okay. The thing is that it's gonna be so difficult just because like everything is shimmers, and I love the shimmer formula, but everything is so buttery, so it's not like other shimmers where I can use it and blend it out a little bit and it kind of turns into a matte. You know, but I'm just gonna have to roll with it, and we're just gonna have to see what ends up happening. So there's that. I'm gonna go in with my Rougher 12 here, and I'm gonna go in with the Undergrowth palette, I think is what I plan on doing. And I'm gonna go in with the Undergrowth shade right there. Like I said, I have no clue what I'm doing right now. If it ends up looking like shit, it ends up looking like shit. I can't really do anything about it with this color story. I'm just gonna take it right here and drag it this way a little bit. And sort of blending it out a little bit. Taking it, stamping it in a little bit. Just going like this. It's kind of a vibe though. I kind of do like that. I might be able to make this work. I think I want to go in with like the purples next, maybe, possibly. Who knows? Who honestly knows? I might go in with that Comfort shade right there, taking it on my Rougher A7 like I used earlier, and just plopping it right here maybe. It's not looking too bad, okay? It's not looking too terribly bad. But we're only 3 shades in. But I'm just packing this on in here. Sort of blending it into that Undergrowth shade up there. Like, it's not bad. It's definitely something, but it's not bad. It's not good, but I digress. I think I'm going to go in now. What else do I have? Fireflies and vegetation. You guys. Like, it's not bad right now, so maybe I can just figure it out. So maybe we will switch to my Rougher 21 here, and we'll go in with that duochrome atmosphere shade right there. And we will plop it into this space, maybe. Just taking it and dragging it out, going like that. That's not bad. Okay, you know what? Maybe this is salvageable. Maybe this is doable. We'll see. Oh my god, this is a mess, you guys. I hope Fash's is better than mine. Oh my god. I'm just taking my Unearthly A5 and just blending these edges out here because they're a little bit harsh. I don't even know, you guys. I don't even know. I don't know how I feel about this at all. we're just gonna have to roll with it. So I'm gonna go back to my my Refer 21 here. And I think I'm gonna go in with just a tiny bit of fireflies here. Question mark? Yeah. And just pop a little bit of that in here. Maybe. God, I don't know, you guys. It's not bad. It's just, I feel like if there was a couple more mattes, this wouldn't be as bad. But right now, it looks horrendous. I don't. Usually I could make this work. There's no other way that I don't feel like I could have done something with this. But, God. I don't know. I'm not happy with it, but it is what it is. I don't think I'm going to do full face of makeup with this. I think I might just plop on some lashes and call it a day. Just because I'm not feeling very good, and frankly, this eye isn't the best, and I don't feel like wasting foundation on it, especially because, I mean, it's almost Christmas. This is going up on Christmas, so this is just gonna be a horrible Christmas Day video. But my face is about to be just pampered with a shit ton of makeup this week, so I think I'm just gonna leave it be. Like I said, we'll just pop on some lashes, call it a day, and maybe do an under eye. Who knows? But yeah, just give me a minute. Like I said, I don't really feel like doing foundation. I feel like the lashes really pulled it together and made this doable. My friend complimented it and said that it looks decent, so shout out to Kimmy. But for whatever reason, I don't really feel like doing foundation today. I'm giving my face a break, you know, just letting it be. But let's do under eye before I completely die of a freaking like heat wave. Whatever the hell is going on, I hate it. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm sick or what's going on, but like I'm constantly just like getting, what are they called when you have menopause? I'm 25, but so it's not that. The heat. Hot flashes. I constantly feel like I'm getting those, and I can't tell if it's just because I'm sick or whatnot, but yeah. We're gonna go natural brows with this, maybe. Who knows? But let's do this freaking under eye. I'm thinking we go in with that Fresh Air shade, maybe. Who knows? And going in on my Refer 23 here. Again, why not? I'm just bringing it this way. And I'm just making it pop there. We don't always gotta do foundation. We can always give our faces a break. We can always do whatever. Like I said, I'm also like sweating, so I feel like it's not the path that I need to go down. What are we thinking? I don't think I've used that vegetation shade yet, but I do think I'm going to go in with the Undergrowth shade though, and take that and bring it along right here. It's just not going well today, guys. The bingo gods were too on my side the past little whiles that it just fucked me over. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad. Granted, it could have been worse, but I'm going to go in with a little bit of that vegetation shade right there. And plop that in right here. Okay, I think I've salvaged it. I genuinely do. I still don't feel like doing freaking foundation or anything though, so this is what we're gonna leave it at. But I do think that that was completely salvageable. Like it got salvaged. We're good. It's not the end of the world. I think putting that little bit of mascara and putting the lashes on really helped. I think having the blank ass brows isn't doing any favors, but a girl is lazy, a girl's not feeling very well, and I did want to get this video up and do this collab with Fash because I absolutely love and adore her, and she deserves me not canceling on her. But I don't think that this is that bad. Here's a little up close look at the look. I do think that I kind of pulled it out of my ass on it. I do think it is a complete mess though, but it is also like super pretty. And I'm going to keep my natural lip color on this. I'm really just going a bare face with this crazy eye. We're just keeping it natural. But you know what? I kind of like it. I kind of do really like the eye. I do think it turned out super pretty. I think pulling everything together, it did what it needed to do. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate having you guys here and enjoying my content, even though today's video sucked major monkey balls, because it's been a long couple days, okay? And I feel bad, but yeah, life happens, and sometimes you just gotta push through it, and it may not be the best, but I still did this video, and I still did this, and I'm very thankful for Fash for doing this with me, for supporting me all the time, and just being an amazing person in my life. A couple things before you go though: remember to not be a piece of shit, don't be homophobic, don't be transphobic, don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time and money or energy. It's almost 2025. It's literally a week away. And if you're still acting like that, go put yourself in the freaking trash. Go into a freaking trash truck and get squished. Because we're over it. We're done with it. It's bull. But also remember to be taking enough food, enough water, nutrients, to be washing your hands, to be covering your mouth and your cough, to be teaching your littles how to freaking wash their hands. Because that's probably how I got sick in the first place. Yeah, just be making sure that you're taking care of yourself and doing things for you, self-care days, all that good stuff. Again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate having you here. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.